Now you don't have to pick the phone up. If you get really nice with it, you can do the 2-finger knock. Now I'm pretty nice. I was playing with it the other day, able to do it real quick like that. But this way now I can open up my phone, take it right over to the gram, and get busy. All right, so I'm feeling that. Next, let's talk about the always on display. Let me get a little wipe down. Always on display. Now the G7 and the Galaxy S9, one of the best things about the always on display is you can add a picture. Now I don't know if y'all can really see that, but I got a little picture on deck. So not only does it look better, but it is fully functional. You got the time, the date. You see I got some notifications, so I got a YouTube, got a text message, got my battery percentage. If I swipe over, I can hit the button, take me right to my camera, hit the next button, take a screenshot, and start writing on the screen for a little memo. I can turn my Wi-Fi on and off, go straight to vibration on and off, turn the Bluetooth on and off, and immediate access to the flashlight. Then if I swipe over again, if I had some music playing, maybe I had some Bluetooth headphones on, or I had the phone connected to a speaker, I can hit my media controls right from the always on display. So fully functional, always on display. That is a major go.
Right, so this is going to be a vlog update on the A6300 from the previous vlog, which wasn't all that long ago, and I've actually got a couple of things to actually make vlogging with this a lot easier, especially in harsh daylight sunlight. First, like I said at the end of the previous vlog, I've now got the sunglasses for the kit lens, i.e. the variable ND filter, and this one is from Gobe, so it's an NDX ND filter from ND2 to ND400. It's variable, and I'll have it linked in the description below if you want to get it for this kit lens as well. But this is actually allowing me to actually finally shoot in S-Log2. So I'm shooting in S-Log2, ISO 1600, widest aperture f3.5, and the widest on the lens as well at 60mm. So this is now going to actually allow me to see how it is to work in graded S-Log2. And I've actually got the official shotgun microphone, the mini shotgun microphone for the A6300, and it actually has electrical pins that go in to the hot shoe mount, which I actually didn't realize. So the audio is actually connected through there without going through the audio jack. So I'll have some B-roll cutaway of how I've actually set this up. And I've also got a tripod that I'm using, which is actually meant to be a tabletop tripod from Viltrox. So it's the VX-T60. I'll also shoot some B-roll of it and have it linked in the description below. And I was just meant to be using this as my tabletop tripod for when I'm doing my live streams, but it's actually working out to be a really good tripod for vlogging with this camera, actually with any camera at the moment. So some of the B-roll shots is actually going to be on my separate Nikon or Nikon D5300 vlogging rig that I have with me, as well as cutaways. So let me know what you think. I don't have a dead cat on here for the A6300's mic, so let me know how the audio sounds like and how everything looks. And boy, we'll see how it comes out. But this is more just a quick update to let you know how it is, again, vlogging with the A6300 with the updated gear that I've got, which I will be showing you and have linked in the description below. You have to hold it with both hands, David. Always.
Yes.
You have to learn to share. Davey?
Yeah?
You learn to share. So that is it from today's vlog update with the A6300. Again, some of the shots were actually done with the Nikon D5300, so I will have it annotated in there as well so you can see. Let me know what you guys think of the audio and also what you think of the new tabletop tripod that I'm also using as my tripod for vlogging, if it's actually more stable. And I'm actually seeming to be able to get a wider field of view. And also let me know what you think of the new ND filter that I've actually put in the kit lens, and if it actually helps in any way, shape or form with the footage. Give me some feedback. So that's it. My name is Ben from the Lover of Tech channel. Without a shadow of a doubt, hit me up on socials, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and I'll definitely engage with you guys, and just wait for the next update. I think my next video might just be when the Panasonic Lumix G7 actually comes back into house, and I might actually have to compare it to this. So thanks and peace. I'm out.